Hi guys, today we're going to show you the protective case for the smart key for Volvo vehicles. As you can see, the smart key gets worn out with time, it gets dented, scratched, it can be dropped, it can break, and exactly for these reasons we decided to get this protective case. It goes on top of the original. It is made of aluminum alloy on the border. This is synthetic leather. The installation is very straightforward. We simply put our key inside like this. The other end goes on top. Now you have to make sure that this top snaps in first when you do the installation, and then you simply push the rest of the cover on top, and that's it. The installation is complete. The key actually looks almost the same as the original. It actually even looks better because I like this dark gray color. The size is almost the same. The buttons still work without any issues, and your key is now fully protected. This is the logo, the cutout for the logo. Besides that, the set comes with the keychain. We have a piece of leather, we have this spring hook, and we have a small screwdriver which can be used to unlock our protective case. This way, this will allow you to remove it. You can do it with any small screwdriver, and I'll show you guys how to install this one. So first you'll have to push it through this opening in the leather. You have to go through the opening in the key as well. And the same on this side. Now we'll basically repeat the whole procedure. Make sure that the top goes in first, then snap it like this, and now we'll make them even, the ends, and both of them will be pushed right here. Push them all the way, then close this part, and that's it. So now we have our case with the chain which you can use. You can either use it or not, as I showed you guys. You can use a regular ring like this instead, but the set comes with this one, and this is how it's going to look like. If you guys like this case, I will leave you the link in the description. Check it out, and we'll see you in the next video.